Best Pickleball Paddle. Are you looking for the best pickleball paddle? In this video we will look at 5 of the best pickleball paddle on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. The T700 Raw Carbon Fiber Pickleball Paddle stands out as a high-performance choice, designed with features that appeal to advanced players and those looking for a competitive edge in tournaments. This paddle is made from T700 raw carbon fiber, known for its durability, lightweight feel, and responsiveness, which helps players achieve precise control and powerful hits. The use of raw carbon fiber, particularly in a paddle designed for tournament-level play, highlights its ability to absorb shock while providing a balanced touch and feel, which can significantly enhance gameplay dynamics. One of the paddle's unique construction features is its thermoformed unibody design. This design means that the paddle is crafted as a single piece, creating a more durable structure that also improves stability during intense rallies. With its foam-injected edges, the T700 further enhances vibration dampening, reducing hand fatigue during prolonged matches and offering a solid feel on contact with the ball. These foam injections also widen the sweet spot, making it easier to make consistent, accurate shots, even during fast-paced exchanges. At 16 mm thick, the paddle achieves a desirable balance between control and power, making it suitable for various playstyles. The elongated design provides extra reach, allowing players to cover more ground on the court and reach challenging shots without compromising control. Additionally, the paddle's grip size, at 4.13 inches, offers a comfortable hold, enabling players to maintain a strong and secure grip, which is critical during competitive play. This paddle is also USAPA approved, meaning it meets the regulatory standards for official tournament play, and can be trusted for performance consistency in professional settings. It is suited for seasoned players who seek a blend of advanced construction techniques and materials that optimize both power and precision. With its high-quality build and thoughtful design features, the T700 Raw Carbon Fiber Pickleball Paddle is a top choice for players looking to elevate their game and compete at a higher level. Number 2. The Raw T700 Carbon Fiber Thermoformed Pickleball Paddle is designed for players who demand a high level of spin, power, and control on the court. This paddle is built with T700 raw carbon fiber, a material known for its exceptional strength-to-weight ratio, enhancing both durability and responsiveness. The use of T700 carbon fiber makes the paddle highly resistant to impacts, allowing it to withstand intense play without sacrificing performance. The edgeless, elongated design further benefits players by offering a larger hitting area, which improves reach and optimizes control over difficult shots, making it ideal for advanced and competitive play. One of the standout features of this paddle is its Endura friction surface, which is crafted to enhance ball grip, thus enabling players to generate superior spin. This textured surface is particularly advantageous for those who rely on spin-heavy shots to keep opponents on the defensive. Combined with the paddle's edgeless construction, this friction surface helps create a smooth, consistent feel when striking the ball, free from the potential interference of a traditional edgeguard. The paddle is available in 3 core thickness options: 13 mm, 16 mm, and 20 mm, catering to different player preferences for power, control, and feel. The 13 mm core offers maximum power, the 16 mm provides a balanced mix of power and control, while the 20 mm core is aimed at players seeking more control and a softer touch. These polymer cores are designed to dampen vibrations, reducing strain on the player's hand and providing a more comfortable grip experience, even during extended gameplay. Additionally, the paddle is USAPA approved, making it legal for tournament play, ensuring that players can trust its performance and build quality for competitive use. Overall, the Raw T700 Carbon Fiber Thermoformed Pickleball Paddle is an excellent choice for seasoned players seeking versatility, with options for core thickness that allow users to personalize their gameplay, emphasizing either power, control, or a balance of both. With its advanced features and customizable options, it stands as a top-tier choice for players looking to elevate their competitive edge on the court. Number 3. The Enhanced Pickleball SweetSpot Pro Paddle is specifically designed for beginners looking to maximize control, stability, and ease of use on the court. Crafted with a carbon fiber face, this paddle offers a lightweight yet durable structure, making it easier for new players to maneuver and control their shots. Carbon fiber provides a good balance of strength and responsiveness, allowing beginners to feel more in control without sacrificing the power needed for effective returns and volleys. A defining feature of this paddle is its focus on an enhanced sweet spot, which helps new players achieve more consistent shots. The foam-injected edges play a significant role in this, as they dampen vibrations and create a larger sweet spot across the paddle's face. This feature not only makes it easier to maintain control, especially during off-center hits, but it also reduces hand fatigue, making it more comfortable for players who are still developing their skills and stamina. The injected foam also adds a stability factor, minimizing torque when the paddle connects with the ball and giving beginners a more forgiving, reliable experience. The SweetSpot Pro's design prioritizes ease of use and accessibility for newcomers. Its lightweight build aids in maneuverability, allowing new players to quickly adjust to various shot techniques without feeling weighed down. This can be particularly beneficial for learning volleys, dinks, and quick wrist movements that are common in pickleball. The paddle's grip is also designed with comfort in mind, ensuring that beginners can maintain a secure hold, which is essential for consistent play and confidence on the court. With its carbon fiber face, vibration-dampening foam-injected edges, and enhanced sweet spot, the enhanced Pickleball SweetSpot Pro paddle provides beginner players with a forgiving, user-friendly option. It allows new players to enjoy the game with a paddle that supports their learning curve by offering consistent control, comfort, and stability. This makes it an excellent choice for those just starting in pickleball who want a paddle that complements their growth as they develop their skills and confidence on the court. Number 4. The Havok Pro Pickleball Paddle is engineered for players seeking an optimal blend of power, precision, and spin, featuring a carbon fiber surface that caters to intermediate and advanced players aiming to elevate their game. Carbon fiber is known for its strength and lightweight properties, which allow players to hit with increased power while maintaining control. This surface also enhances responsiveness, enabling quick adjustments in gameplay and providing excellent feedback on each shot, crucial for those focused on both power and precision. A defining feature of the Havok Pro paddle is its emphasis on spin generation. The carbon fiber surface is crafted to provide high friction, allowing players to apply spin with ease. This is particularly advantageous in competitive settings, where spin can be used to control the ball's trajectory and keep opponents on the defensive. The paddle's textured finish is specifically designed to help players maximize spin, adding versatility to their shot selection. This paddle's focus on precision also makes it an attractive choice for advanced players. Its balanced weight and structure promote shot accuracy, helping players consistently target specific areas on the court. This level of control, combined with its power capabilities, offers a well-rounded performance that adapts to both offensive and defensive playstyles. Whether executing powerful drives or placing delicate dinks, the Havok Pro paddle provides the stability needed for reliable, consistent gameplay. The grip of the Havok Pro is designed for comfort and security, ensuring that players can maintain control during intense rallies without compromising their hold on the paddle. This grip feature reduces strain, enhancing comfort and making it suitable for longer playing sessions. In summary, the Havok Pro Pickleball paddle offers a robust combination of power, precision, and spin. With its carbon fiber surface, it's built to meet the needs of serious players who value versatility on the court. For those looking to improve their competitive edge, the Havok Pro stands out as a paddle that balances the essential elements of spin, control, and power, making it an ideal choice for dynamic and responsive gameplay. Number 5. The JOOLA Ben John's Perseus Pickleball Paddle is designed for players who seek enhanced power, control, and a responsive feel on the court. Developed in collaboration with champion Ben John's, this paddle incorporates innovative charged surface technology to elevate gameplay, especially for advanced players. The surface is engineered to provide greater friction, which translates into more spin potential and control, allowing players to execute precise, strategic shots. This technology also amplifies the power behind each shot, making it easier to drive the ball with force, whether for ground strokes or volleys. Constructed with a fully encased carbon fiber design, the Perseus paddle offers exceptional durability and a solid feel that enhances player confidence. Carbon fiber is known for its lightweight yet sturdy properties, which allow players to deliver powerful shots without sacrificing maneuverability. This material also increases the paddle's responsiveness, giving players immediate feedback on ball contact, crucial for refining technique and shot placement. The carbon fiber encasement adds strength to the paddle's overall structure, making it highly resilient against wear, even during intense matches. The JOOLA Perseus paddle is designed with a larger sweet spot, making it more forgiving on off-center hits. This larger hitting area enables players to consistently make solid contact, improving both accuracy and power, which is particularly beneficial during fast-paced rallies. The paddle's balance of a responsive feel and a stable, enlarged sweet spot ensures that players have more control over each shot, whether aiming for power or finesse. The grip on this paddle is designed to support comfort and stability, allowing players to maintain a secure hold even during extended play. This helps reduce strain and enhances overall gameplay, especially in high-energy matches. In summary, the JOOLA Ben John's Perseus Pickleball paddle combines cutting-edge technology and expert craftsmanship to provide players with a competitive edge. Its charged surface technology, fully encased carbon fiber construction, and expanded sweet spot make it ideal for players who prioritize power, control, and spin. This paddle is a top choice for players looking to excel in competitive play with a high-performance, durable, and responsive paddle.